What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. And today in this video I'm gonna play around Amazon and try to build a best budget gaming PC as cheap as possible, which can play all AAA titles and esports games easily at more than 30 frames per second. In esports title games like CSGO, you can play more than 150 FPS, and Dota 2 more than 60 FPS are at high settings. Starting with the processor, let's see the best bang for the buck processor under 7K, which will be our Intel G4560. It is Intel 7th generation processor, which is clocked at 3.5 GHz, and it has 3 MB cache. It has Intel HD graphics. It supports DDR4 memory. It has 2 cores and 4 threads. It also supports Intel hyper-threading technology. Normally it is available in 6,399. Let's see any offers. It is available at 6,148. The seller rating is also good, so let's add it to cart. In this build I am not using any i3 processor because it will max out our budget, and our G4560 is slightly slower than Intel Core i3 6100. For a price difference of 3000 from Intel 6100, it is a good deal. Core i3 6100 is very good deal. Let's just go to cart. Our processor supports LG1151. It has got a LG1151 socket, so we have to find a 1151 motherboard. For motherboard, at a price of 4,381, we have Gigabyte Edge 1110M S2. Let's select it. There are lots of cabinets are available which can easily fit this motherboard. It actually got 2 RAM slots. Everything looks pretty basic. It got a 4-pin EPS connector for CPU, and it got a PCI Express slot, and it has 4 SATA and 3 USB 3 and 6 USB 2 slots are available. Let's add it to cart. Our price has reached to 10,529. So for the graphics card, we will go with the GT 1030. We will go with this Gigabyte G4 GT 1030 2GB low profile graphics card. It is clocked at 1506 MHz in OC mode and 1468 in normal gaming mode. It has 2 GB GDDR5 64-bit VRAM and it can easily play AAA titles game with our G4560 at more than 30 frames per second and esports game more than 60 to 100 plus FPS. Let's just add it to cart. Now our price has reached to 17,279 for the RAM. Let's search DDR4 RAM. For RAM we will go with the Crucial 8 GB DDR4 2133 MHz unbuffered non-ECC high performance gaming RAM. ECC stands for server grade memory, which is not that good for gaming, but this one is non-ECC, so we don't have to worry about it. So let's select it. Let's just add it to cart. Now our price has reached to 22,159. Now for storage, I would say hard drive, not SSD, because it is most costlier than hard drive, as we are building a budget gaming PC which will max out our budget. So we will go with the 1 TB hard disk. TB internal hard disk. We will go with this Western Digital Blue Desktop 1 TB internal hard drive. It has got a 7200 RPM speed, 64 MB buffer size. It is good for gaming also. Let's just see any offers available for this hard drive. We have got 3,524 and the seller rating are also good. So let's add it to cart. Now our price has reached to 25,683. Let me just go into cart and see what we have purchased. For SMPS, we will go with the cabinet with SMPS because it will be quite cheap as compared to separate SMPS and cabinets. We will go with this iWall cabinet Stella with SMPS, which cost around 2,315, which is good. It has a 450 watt SMPS, iWall SMPS, which is good for our build. So let's add it to cart. And here is our total build, which cost around 28,000. We have purchased all the parts, and this PC build can provide 30 FPS in all AAA titles, even more than 30 FPS in all AAA titles. You can easily play esports titles like CSGO in more than 150 FPS, Dota 2 more than 60 FPS in 1080p max out settings. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.